He said, on my station, you know, TikTok.
But are YouTube we are going now?
Or YouTube.
Tell the people them to remember to like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe, you know. Roger this, yeah. Respect me, boss. Yeah, man, you will get him now. Alright, good boy. Take care of yourself.
Roger, catch you out now, Roger. Catch you out now.
Soon come back to my
Catch you out a lie.
Cha-cha. See that? Oh, gosh.
You know, rice and peas up.
Brown stew.
Right, come here, see if you give me boy, you know.
Promise you, girl, say we know, say we love her. Deep in her pocket, come up with your dollar. Come on, take it, I hate that, you know. What you
say?
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine.
What's up, viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. So as you know, a thing going on, people, I'm there in the countryside, people. So today I gotta do a link up. So I link up with some of my friends them. So right now I'm there. I'm a hometown people. So right now we are gonna do a cook up today. So I'm gonna make Chef Timberland telling them what they on the menu, people. So you're the boss of the say now.
Yeah, today up on the menu. Yeah, man, we have some brown stew. Pork, you know? Canned pork, you see me? Yeah, canned pork, you see me? Eh? Where you see a curry pork, my boss? That can't go on to, man. A curry pork can run to, man, if a curry pork, man. Where you see, man? Some rice and peas. You see me? We have some jerk chicken, you know, cause we have some friend, you know, to deal with the pork thing, you see me? So I do some jerk chicken for them, you see it? Grill the day up and run into same way. You know? Just not light up yet, you know what I mean? So we are set up it's stick fire. Stick fire we are line up.
Yeah.
No wood fire business, stick fire. Yeah, man, so we are line up this countryman style, you know?
Jerk pan there,
Countryman
people.
style. Run,
Yeah.
no. This name can't out again, you know? No things. Up in a pot. I mean, cause you know, say garlic one thing will make a piece cook fast, you know. We have everything afoot here.
Peas in a pot.
Right, man. Up in the ears, you see me? Go and do it thing. Run one, what is it? Run wildlife. That's a long journey.
Yeah, and everyone wants to take a 5.
Yeah. That's a long journey.
Yeah, peeps, so.
Yeah.
Timberland, I get the garlic clean up and all.
Yeah, man. One teams, you know.
The man has a cleanliness in the people.
Yes,
so
man. One
thing
team
have to wash off.
Thing have to wash off proper. Up in a pot right afoot, you know. Make sure so them are setting up and roll off, you know. See me? Alright. Yeah.
Like pork, I kick my nose.
Pork a kick. Pork soft, you know, so you don't know if you cook that, you know. You see me?
Canned pork.
Yeah, man, canned pork.
And people canned pork, for those who don't know.
Yeah, so same way.
Explain, yes, the boss.
You see me wash off me and me touch something wash off me, you see me?
So bro, explain to me
Why?
how you can the pork.
Alright, you see pork, you know, you wash off the pork. Wash off the pork clean. Proper and drain off, make sure say water drain off, you see me? Yeah, get your pimento grain, your pimento leaf, pepper, you see me? And you know, so you get your salt. You can't Like salt, carny. You see me? Yeah, man, I salt, I think with carny pork. You see me? Put what if a salt pan here. See it? Pimento girl, I say same way. Don't somebody cut up a skeleton and them thing upon it, you know. But I don't cut up a skeleton and them thing upon it. Just your whole time with. You see me? Pimento grain and your salt and your pimento leaf. And, you know, say, you see me? Well set. See it? Proper.
Canned pork settings, people.
We canned pork settings. What time people would just say thinking pork. Yeah, so that I chicken you know we want to get that one up and
have rice.
running to you see it.
I have ketchup, everything.
Bore you up. Normally bore if you make a seasoning good on them part there, you see me?
So you say in the boring season can get for soak through
Yeah man, the season soak right through chicken, you know. Some people use fork still, but I feel like so the knife, when you use the knife you have more space, you wider, you see me? Season go right through it more. You see it? Fork you know, you have to force to go through it. You know, use the knife you know, bore up it. So man, so I wash half the chicken and everything already and the lime and you see me? Lime I use now, take away rawness quicker. Alright. So we are get the Maggi seasoning, you know. We have a chicken seasoning, yeah. We have all purpose. We have a jerk. We have a salt. Little bit of salt, you know what I mean? Because you know, so them things are salt, you see me? So, I'll grind up, I'll blend up them now. I'll blend up them with onion. Blend up them with onion, thyme, you see me? And scallion and blend them up together and rub it on them, but blend under their foot. Everything in it, you know. This give the jerk, it's the jerk seasoning, original jerk seasoning.
People, smell. I tell you. But people, me not really fascinated for the jerk chicken.
What?
See what me really fascinated for?
Jerk chicken are my thing still.
Yeah, but canned pork, a long time me not eat canned pork.
Yeah.
So you know the thing go.
Rub in here, you know what I mean? So I soon get my scallion and my garlic and my onion, you see me, and my thyme. Blend up them things together. You know, I rub in it on the
So
same way.
people, you drop the scallion and the thyme, the garlic.
Flavor.
All of
Yeah.
what do you call that now? Like
your ground seasoning.
Your ground seasoning. You get all of them blend up.
Then.
And then you put them in a blender, blend them up and you go make like a paste like. And then you use that and rub on the chicken.
Come on.
Yeah, drop it on the grill.
So this are for this right now, you know. Up and running. Just want to scallion and I'm sitting upon you now to get the flavor. You know, see them things you get the flavor, you see me? I know they might get the flavor, they might just get the taste, you know. You see taste they might get, but you see the ground seasoning now, they might get the flavor. You see me? Everything come up out tight, you see it? So this after this for right now, make it go and marinate. You see me? Or, you know, some people just say make it go and soak. Season go and soak, you see me? But international wise, marinate. No joke. See there? Yeah man. Up and running man. Cover and
people. Bridget over there so. And him come all the way from North Coast and driver. Next Bridget and I carry asleep. Kinda tired, kind of party last night so. I'm going to chill out under the tree because it's cool. Up here cool people like on the North Coast it's so hot, but up here it's nice. So yeah. Fire under a piece, pot ablaze. See people start ready for the boiler now. But hot too. So yeah.
What?
Good day. Yeah.
Come on, so we have to cut up.
They check me for a minute, but he ease up back.
Right, man, we don't really have to cut up like all the garlic, you see me? Alright, peeps, see it now, so what I look like, yeah. You see me? So what I look like, yeah.
People should blend up seasoning.
Yeah. This is now give chicken the flavor, you know.
with spices, people.
Yeah, man.
Pimento.
So you come in
Thyme,
and you rub it
scallion,
in.
with garlic, and onion.
Rub it in, you know.
Now I tell the people the aroma is amazing. You can smell the aroma. Yeah.
Man, you can smell it, everything grind up night, blend up night, you see me? So what it look like, yeah. Yeah, man.
The chef at this ramen.
Yeah, man. That's how you go, you know? Yeah. Good to go. You say up and running.
Yeah, people, so.
Yeah, man. So you are dropping the chicken on the grill now.
Man.
Yeah, man. So we are dropping the chicken on the grill now.
Yeah, man, smell good.
Man, a mad thing, man. Bush cooking, man, always. Every Sunday. Bush cooking now. No Sunday now pass. Just start.
Never
Hey, TM, what you say?
Never See that already?
Done.
Custom made sauce.
Simple and I get on the sauce.
Custom made sauce, you know. Yeah. Boom sauce. Boom sauce. Boom.
What you say?
See your brother pick up them can.
Alright. You get 6.
Chup
Yeah, what you say?
A chup kazi. Chup
What you say,
kazi.
bro?
I'm kazi.
No, I'm here play that road, lad.
Two of them pick up can.
Chup when I find chup more get sick.
Yeah,
man, I'm searching for the young year 6.
You mean, see, you're a boss in a place, man, you don't know, so you go. Mother and bad and brave.
Gideon, what you have to say to your world?
What me have to say? Live good
Spit
in
out
the
your
world.
people, them, man.
Spit a tune.
Yes.
Promise you a girl say we know say we love her. Deep in her pocket, come up with your dollars. Come on, take it. I hate that, you know.
What you say?
The rose that grow outside your door. Hers, these streets in love. Have with me right now. How sweat, tears and blood. Hard, know the feelings now. Don't leave me crushed up in the cold. Don't do me like what them do before. I might just, yeah, dog, me and you know. I love these streets down to my soul. I was say, living the life like about 5 of me, 2 big body girl in my bedside of me. Living the dream now rich finally. Pan the balcony we pour some any keep a thing. You load me might shot somebody. Feel a vibe the haters them sorry don't by the beam we put deep ditch pan it. She want to touch like a doorman slammy. Hey, straight jeans and a Air Force 100 a clean city pan the main road. Rich and bad on your ear flow. She a blush like wine in a braids though. In a me that just hear me. Me shout anywhere we go, we heavy. Full of style like him and a choppy jelly.
Young peeps there. As I can see, people, the rain I give you a fight, but we're there. You see, the water kind of come down. You can see we have a tarpaulin, so, but some holes in our tarpaulin, so. Jar work, people, so we are trying to sort out. As you can see, the jerk chicken good because the jerk chicken in the pan, so the jerk chicken is coming on lovely. Yeah, man, it's a good look, so. So right now we have a pea set on, we have a corn pork pot, so you can see what I'm going. What's the chef to this?
Soon proper, man. Soon proper, man. Soon proper, you know.
People, I'm going for piece of pork. Long time I can't pork. Long time I can't pork, people. I tell you, say it's amazing. The flavors, I can taste the pimento in it. You can taste the salt minimized, but you can taste the corn pork. I tell you, it's very amazing, people. So, as I say, corn pork on, peas on, I get the rice ready, chicken a jerk. them boy I play domino. But stay tuned, watch how I go on. Remember to like, share and subscribe. We have AJ ATM behind the camera right now. I go on, help me out with the visual people. So and just support the thing. We're there. Stay tuned.
And stay so.
Running. Come here, so we have the peas and rice. Rice not going yet still, but to soon up and running, you see me? Come here, so now you have the chentan.
Dash it at me.
Bubble like soap, you see me? I chentan that.
Hey, me
You know
know
what I
that's
mean?
if dash your pork
Yeah.
people.
Dash it.
No, we
They
can't.
say them are Rasta enough people, but we can't left out the pork.
I say we are Rasta still there. But you don't know, now I'm about the pork still, man. That's a fuck around.
Can't dash that.
Yes, yes.
Can't dash that. Your mother will fit dash that. Can't dash
Yeah,
that.
people,
And
so-
that's a part of your life journey.
Rain a go on. See
Same
ya.
way.
Rain a fall, but they are same way people. You see the place green, tree them nice. You know, see a car
Man,
come
them
there,
say fi dash that.
Come
to
from out
go
the hills,
yeah, dash your what?
come down. Coconut tree and thing, but no
Can't
coconut
dash your
tree.
chentan.
Ja.
Look at that later, rude boy.
Talk me then here.
He said, on my station, you know, TikTok.
But a YouTube we are going now.
Or YouTube.
Tell the people them to remember to like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe, you know. Roger this, yeah. Respect me, boss. Yeah, man, you will get him now. Alright, good boy. Take care of yourself. Soon
Raja,
come
catch you out now, Raja. Catch you out now.
back- Soon come back to my
Catch you out a lie. Alright, yeah man, so there people say.